Hello and welcome, this is Paul Photography with episode 6 of 1 minute shooting ideas for every tiny home studio. For today's picture we try to get the nature inside of my living room. Let's jump right into it. As a background I use a very cheap wooden looking thing and mount it on my reflector. Of course we need a sun, but the Octabox will give us a much more softer light. The strip light gives us a nice contour and a little separation from the background. Now we can turn the scenery into a garden. Fortunately I have this IKEA tree and a small palm that I will hold in front of my lens. What else do we need? Oh yes, a model. The great makeup artist Ella Capella will be our girl in the jungle today. Let's go! Paul, and this is your jungle shot.